Hi there guys, Sasha here from TT Liquor. In today's episode, we're going to show you how to do a twist on a classic gin cocktail, which is the Gimlet. And for this reason, we teamed up with the guys from Everleaf, and we're using their Forest edition, which is a very nice and crisp non-alcoholic spirit. So enjoy the video. Hope to see you soon.
Hi there, it's Kay. I'm here at TT Liquor once again, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a really lovely alcohol-free version of a gimlet. So the first thing that I'm going to do is chill one of these lovely Nick and Nora glasses ready to put my drink in when I finish making it. Now, as I said, it's a shake and drink, so the first bit of kit that I need is the bottom half of my shaker. All my ingredients are going to be going into there. And the first thing I need is some of this lovely Everleaf Forest, and I want 50 mils of my Everleaf, so I'm going to use the big side of my measure, 50 mils of that. Next thing going in here is going to be some pink grapefruit juice, which I've got here, and we want 35 mils of our pink grapefruit juice. Next up, we want a little bit of fresh lime juice, and we only want 10 mils of our lime juice. And lastly, to give this a lovely little bit of sweetness, we're going to add some honey syrup. Now this is really easy to make. This is just a 1-in-1 mixture of honey and hot water. Stir it down till it dissolves and you've got yourself honey syrup. And just like our lime juice, we want 10 mils of our honey syrup. Now I'm just going to go ahead and fill this up with cubed ice. I'll pop my tin on, nice big smack to seal it. And we'll give that a shake for around about 10 to 15 seconds. Here we go. Beautiful, so that's all cold and frosty. I'll crack this open. So I'll just get rid of that crushed ice. Give it a little shake to get rid of any excess. I'll take my Hawthorn strainer and just strain this drink into the glass here. And then for a garnish, we're going to give this a lovely little lime twist. So I've got lime here. I'll just peel a nice strip off of this. And I'm just going to trim that down, make it look a little bit prettier. We'll just pop that twist on the side of the glass like so. And that's our Everleaf Gimlet ready to drink.